In today's video, I'll show you how to create a free diet plan using Notion AI. To start, make sure you have Notion open on your device. We are currently looking at the default Welcome to Notion landing page. If you look at the left sidebar menu under the Private section, you'll see an option that says Plus Add New. I'm going to click on Plus Add New right now to start a completely fresh workspace page from scratch. When you click that, a pop-up menu titled Add to Private will appear right in the center of your screen. It gives you a few blank starting options like Empty Page or Empty Database, along with a list of suggested templates below. Next, you'll want to select the Empty Page button located at the top left row of the card options. This opens up a blank document with a blinking cursor at the top where it says New Page. Let's name our document by typing Diet Plan directly into the title field. Now move your cursor down into the empty white body area right below the main title heading. Once you click there, Notion displays a quick start menu with options like Ask AI, AI Meeting Notes, Database, and Form. To use the built-in artificial intelligence features, click on the very first button labeled Ask AI with the little purple spark icon next to it. Clicking that opens up an inline AI prompt box that says Edit with AI. This is where we tell the system exactly what kind of fitness and meal plan we want to build. Let's type out our specific prompt parameters. Create a 7-day, high-protein, low-carb diet plan. I need 3 meals and 2 snacks per day, totaling roughly 1,800 calories. No dairy or seafood. Once you've typed all your rules out, click the blue circular button with the white upward arrow on the far right to submit your prompt. The moment you click Send, the AI goes to work behind the scenes. You'll see a loading indicator cycling through various processing terms like vibing, cooking, brewing, pondering, crafting, processing, computing, and generating as it organizes the response structure. After a few seconds, the text will dynamically generate on your screen. At the top, it outlines your targets of 1,800 calories, high protein, low carb, and no dairy or seafood. Below that, it provides a daily structure detailing the approximate calorie breakdown for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and your 2 snacks. Scroll down further to view the comprehensive 7-day breakdown. And that's it. That's how you create a free diet plan using Notion AI.